Top 20 most imported products worldwide in 2025. International trade is one of the foundations of the global economy. Every year, countries purchase trillions of dollars worth of products from foreign suppliers to meet consumer demand, support industries, build infrastructure, and maintain supply chains. In 2025, worldwide imports of goods reached approximately $25.81 trillion, according to trade data compiled from international sources. The 20 leading product categories alone accounted for about 41.5% of all imported goods, showing just how concentrated global demand is around energy, technology, transportation, healthcare, and industrial products. Below is a ranking of the top 20 most imported products worldwide, based on 2025 import values. Top 20 most imported products worldwide. Global import value by product category in 2025, in US dollars billions. 1. Integrated circuits and microassemblies, $1.423 trillion. Integrated circuits, commonly known as semiconductors or computer chips, were the world's most valuable imported product in 2025. Global imports reached approximately $1.423 trillion, an increase of 17.1% from 2024. These components are essential for smartphones, computers, automobiles, artificial intelligence systems, data centers, industrial equipment, and countless electronic devices. The rapid expansion of AI and advanced computing is helping drive demand for increasingly sophisticated chips. 2. Crude oil, $1.174 trillion. Crude oil remains one of the world's most important traded chemicals, and other petroleum-based products. Global crude oil imports were worth approximately $1.174 trillion in 2025. Although crude oil remain oddities. Countries import crude petroleum to produce gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, plastic. One of the largest import categories, its import value declined 12.9% compared with 2024. 3. Cars, $985 billion. Automobiles represent another enormous international trade market. Global imports of cars reached approximately $985 billion in 2025. Countries import vehicles because consumers want a wide range of brands and models, while manufacturers increasingly operate international production networks. The automobile trade also creates demand for thousands of related products, including engines, batteries, electronics, tires, and replacement parts. 4. Unwrought gold, $883.3 billion. Gold was one of the fastest growing products among the world's top 20 imports in 2025. Global imports of unwrought gold reached approximately $883.3 billion, representing growth of 29.9% from 2024. Gold is imported for investment, jewelry manufacturing, central bank reserves, financial markets, and industrial applications. 5. Processed petroleum oils, $790.1 billion. Refined petroleum products, including fuels such as gasoline, diesel, and other petroleum oils, generated approximately $790.1 billion in global imports. These products are essential for transportation, manufacturing, agriculture, construction, aviation, and electricity generation. Despite their importance, the value of global imports declined 14.5% from 2024. 6. Computers and optical readers, $761.3 billion. Computers and related devices generated about $761.3 billion in worldwide imports in 2025. The category includes computers and equipment used by businesses, governments, schools, consumers, data centers, and technology companies. Demand continues to be supported by cloud computing, artificial intelligence, remote work, digital services, and automation. 7. Phones and smartphones, $741.3 billion. Smartphones have become one of the most globally traded consumer products. International imports of phones and related devices were worth approximately $741.3 billion in 2025, up 16.2% from the previous year. The global smartphone supply chain is highly international, with components, assembly, software, and distribution often spread across multiple countries. 8. Pharmaceutical products, $571.5 billion. Medicines and pharmaceutical preparations were worth approximately $571.5 billion in global imports. International pharmaceutical trade is critical because many countries depend on overseas manufacturers for prescription medicines, specialized treatments, vaccines, and other healthcare products. Imports in this category increased approximately 11% in 2025. 9. Petroleum gases, $471.3 billion. Petroleum gases, including internationally traded natural gas products, generated around $471.3 billion in imports. Energy importing nations rely on these fuels for electricity generation, industrial production, heating, and other applications. Global imports increased approximately 1% in 2025. 10. Automobile parts and accessories, $450.5 billion. Modern automobile manufacturing depends on a complex international supply chain. Countries imported approximately $450.5 billion worth of automobile parts and accessories in 2025. These include components used in engines, transmissions, electrical systems, braking systems, interiors, and other vehicle systems. The category grew slightly, by around 0.5%, compared with 2024.